guys, today something super nice, always very good food. Today the very main actor in this dish is the onion, okay? You can check any onion you like. We're gonna bake it, okay? First thing, take a tray to go to the oven and preheat the oven as well. It's very important. Olive oil. Spread around. You can use a brush, but you know. Some breadcrumb on the bottom. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. What the next step is, I think, start from the big one. You don't have to be precise, but don't cut this very fine. Something like this, okay? Just put in the tray. I cleaned already 3, but I don't know if they're gonna be enough. You know, almost 2 onions is already done. Later depend how many you want to do, because when we cook this in the oven, we're gonna reduce a little bit. We're gonna bake it around 200 degrees, okay? I put exactly 3 onions, okay? Now my eyes, you see, there it is. We add some tomato, if you like. Now some salt and pepper, how much you like. If you like spicy, you can put spicy as well. We can add some capers, of course, if you like, but they very well together. I add some olives, some, not many, okay? If you like, always. Some oregano. Now, guys, we put some breadcrumb. This is some pecorino, but you can use parmesan, any cheese you like, a little bit inside. Some parsley mix. This is delicious. We are not master chef, but we cook for the family. We always make cool stuff. Even it's a little bit too much, but this gonna melt it, okay? Now, last step is put some nice and generous touch of extra virgin olive oil. It's fantastic. If you imagine, it's just onions. And now these guys, they go in the oven 200 degrees around the first half an hour. We're gonna do it aluminum foil on the top. Half an hour, we're gonna leave without aluminum foil for 20 minutes, okay? See you in half an hour. I'm gonna show you when I take the aluminum foil off. Half an hour, okay. And now, guys, another 20-25 minutes without aluminum foil. Let's say 200. Guys, okay. Still hot. Yeah, look at it. Absolutely wow. Look something, look a masterpiece. The smell is al bacio. Without aluminum foil, 20-25 minutes. Look at that. It's absolutely amazing. Onion, baking onion, cipolle gratinate is very from Puglia, where I come from. Guys, always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!